How to get the Viki Standard Pass. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can get the Viki Standard Pass. For this, you want to download and install the Viki app on your device. Now tap it open. The first thing you want to do is log into your account. If you do not have an account, tap on sign up option to create one. Now, you can log in using your Google account, your email, Facebook, or your Rakuten account. After you have been signed into your account, this is going to be the home page. Now, you want to tap on Get Viki Pass at the top right corner of your screen. Now, you can select either annual or monthly. Select whichever you prefer. Then tap on the Start Free Trial option. Now, before you can proceed, you have to provide your email address. So go ahead and tap it over here. Then tap on the Send Email option. Now, a verification email is sent. You want to open up your email and check. As you can see, this is the email that is provided by Viki. You want to tap on the Verify Email option over here. Once your email has been verified, go ahead and tap on the Start Free Trial option over here. Now you will have to complete your payment method. You can add a credit or debit card over here. Now you want to complete the payment process from here. After this, you will be able to get the Viki Standard Pass, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.